Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Abroad Yorkshire. If you're new, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you've been with us a while, you know what we're all about. Happy days. Motorhome behind me, sun's finally out, it's stopped raining. Happy days, which means I can bring you this. I've been wanting to bring you this for a long time. Take a look at this little baby. It's a Mooncool TK1 folding electric trike. Now this is what we're going to be using on our European tours this year, over in Ireland and over in the continent. This is what we're going to be using. So all the bikes that we've got and the electric scooters and things like that, we're giving them a miss this year. We're going to be taking this little beauty to do all our running round. Now it folds perfectly, as you can see over here. Look, you've got your folding mechanism here for your handlebars, and again around this side for your frame. Can you see that? So it folds down absolutely perfect, and it'll fit in the garage of the motorhome, so it's absolutely brilliant. But this, it's got absolutely loads of features. It's a brilliant piece of kit. Have a look. I'll just talk you through some of the things. I'll take you through some technical specs later on, but I'm going to take it out because it's the first time it's dry. I'm going to take it down the road and give it a good run. Okay, look at this. So as you can see on back, we've still got stickers on here, look. We have brake lights, believe it or not. We have indicators, we have reflectors, we have baskets on the front, baskets on the back. We have a huge capacity battery, which gives us between 35 and 75 miles of range. Yes, you heard that right, up to 75 miles of range. You've got your little motor down there, absolutely amazing. You've got your water bottle, you've got your control unit here, and you have your little panel there. Indicators on, happy days. Long press, that powers on, as you can see. We can pick that up on screen. Indicators, I'll take you around. Hey, other one, that's that one. In fact, I'm going to set you up here and I'll show you all these while I'm on there. Can you see that? So you've got your indicators on, and you have your brake lights as well. One other feature I want to show you, which I thought were good, is these little babies here. Here's a handbrake. It's got handbrake, so when you pull it on, this here is a clip and it clips in. I don't know if I can do it with one hand. There you go. It's now got handbrakes. It's got one on either side, so your front and your back brake have also got handbrakes on, as well as, of course, a front light, and all that's powered and controlled by this wonderful massive battery. Huge comfortable seat, that is absolutely brilliant, as you do. So it's got two features. It's got your pedal assist, and it's also got, if you're less able-bodied, it's got the assist where you just press button and it'll take you anywhere. So you can either pedal and have it to assist you, or you can just press button if you come to an hill and off it'll zoom. 5 speeds, I'll show you this. As you do, 5 speeds here, look, currently on 0, that's number 1 speed, number 2, 3, 4, 5. Absolutely amazing. On off. So that's the basics. I'm going to show you a quick video now of this wonderful contraption, and then I'm going to take it out and show you how we're going to be riding it. It's brilliant. Take a look at this. I'll be back in a second. are down next to the river, as you can see. Just done a little bit of off-roading on it. It's a brilliant piece of kit, absolutely amazing. So this is what we're going to be using on the next tour. When we start doing our tour, it really is a really good piece of kit is this. As you can see, my brakes are on because I've got the handbrakes on at the minute. Absolutely brilliant. So what makes this thing a little bit different is it's compact, it folds down. It's absolutely amazing in that respect. Two baskets, one on the front, one on the rear. Now the idea is we're going to put the dog basket in the one on the rear. This one. There we go. So the dog basket will go in there, and dogs can come and travel with us. So when we're going through Benidorm and Spain and France, things like that, dogs can come with us, because last time with the heat and things like that, we didn't want them walking. So job is a good one, they'll be able to come with us everywhere we go. The other thing is, I forgot to mention, it's sort of, on a normal bike, you have to change gears up and down all the time. This thing is automatic. It's automatic, so there are no gear changes to do. It's intelligent. So what it does is, no matter what gear you select on your little controller, which is this thing here, currently we're in second, it'll automatically change it for you for the pedal assist. Okay, so when you're pedaling, you're in your gear, and it'll automatically adjust the gear ratio for you. So you haven't got to mess about changing any gears on your handlebars or anything like that. It does it all for you. So it's really good in that respect. So when you're pedaling, if you're in first gear, it'll change that ratio, second, third, fourth and fifth as you do. As you're pedaling, it'll change the gear ratio for you. So it's wonderful when you've got the old pedal assist. But also, if you are tired, okay, you can just press this little button here and it'll go on its own. So you don't need to be pedaling all the time. It's an intelligent bike, absolutely brilliant. So yeah. I'm going to get it set up, I'm going to take it for a ride. You want to see me in action? Watch this little beauty. So that was our little off-road escapade down by the river. Absolutely amazing. Comfortable is not a word I could use. It's ultra comfortable. The seat is ultra comfortable. It's easy to use. It's brilliant. So I'm going to show you a couple of features now, and then I'm going to take you inside, tell you some more specifications and features on this little baby, and happy days. So to fold it, we've got two things we can do. Let's have a look at this. So the first part of the folding mechanism is here for the handlebar. So the handlebar's up here, you've got a little silver ball and a handle just here. I don't know if you can see this just here. All you do is pull this up, lift it up, and this will then fold out like that, and the handlebars will fold down. Easy peasy, easy peasy. Same on the other side with the frame. Little ball, press it, and it will fold in half again. So all we do is we come round, we press on, round, and then this will then fold down like this, and it all compacts right down and folds lovely and flat. This can then be lifted up into the back of the car or into the back of the motorhome. Job is a good one. Setting it back up is just reverse, tilt it up, spin the frame round, lock it off, easy as that. Handlebars up, lock, done. Easy as that. Set up and dismantled in seconds. absolutely amazing. Then of course it comes with your battery. Here we go. This is your battery. It can come on or off. Comes with a key. The battery just lifts straight out. It can be charged whether it's on the bike or off the bike. Just round here, look. So that is your little charging port just there. Comes with a country specific charger in a little box here, look. Country specific charger. Comes with all your instructions. Comes with all the tools you need to build it up. Set of Allen keys. Absolutely brilliant. 95% pre-assembled, so all you've got to do basically is put your mud guards on and away you go. Mud guards, lights, and that's it. Takes you about 15 minutes. Absolutely amazing. So let's have a dive in and a closer look at this wonderful machine. So that's it, that's a Mooncool TK1 electric folding trike. An absolutely brilliant piece of kit. I'm looking forward to getting this loaded up into the motorhome and used during our 2026 European tour. It's going to be absolutely brilliant. I'm really looking forward to this. So if you're considering a new e-bike, consider one of these e-trikes. Absolutely fantastic. Mooncool TK1. It's a brilliant piece of kit, does exactly what it says on the tin and more, and it really is genuinely a fantastic piece of kit. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time, guys. Links are all in the description. I'll see you later. Ta-da!
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like